What makes a character leap off the page and feel as real as a friend? It isn't a list of their traits, it's the psychological machinery humming beneath their every action. The best authors don't tell us who a character is, they show us, forcing us to become detectives. The author could say, "He was a cruel man." That's direct characterization. It's clear, but it's flat. Instead, they use indirect methods. A great tool for this is the STEEL acronym, analyzing a character's speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks. Imagine a man flicking a speck of dust from his silk cuff and smiling coldly as his rival begs for mercy. We don't need to be told he's wealthy, arrogant, and cruel. We feel it. This is how authors create round characters, complex people with contradictions and depth. They aren't static, they are dynamic, meaning they undergo a real internal change, a character arc. To make this change believable, we're given access to their inner life, their interiority. We see their private thoughts and biases. Everything is filtered through their unique perspective, their history, their traumas, their social status. A diamond ring means something entirely different to a person who has always been wealthy versus one who has lived in poverty. This perspective fuels their motivation. The real engine of a story is often the tension between what a character thinks they want, an external goal, like treasure, and what they truly need, an internal growth, like learning to trust. The plot is the process of a character realizing their want was a distraction from their need. Character is the heart of literature. When we read, we look through another's eyes and learn what it means to be human. Remember, a character's greatest strength is often their deepest flaw, and their most interesting trait is the one they are trying hardest to hide.